A very good afternoon, my viewers and my lovely children. Now it's already 5:15. Let's move to Aparna's Pathshala. I hope you all can see the board. Today I'm going to change the sentence into negative. All the sentences are given in positive words, and now we all are going to learn how to make it a positive word negative. First one, what it is written over there, I want to go to the market. আমি মার্কেটে যেতে চাই. So this is one positive one. I am changing into negative. I don't want to go to the market. আমি মার্কেটে যেতে চাই না. I, instead of do not, I am writing in a short form. Don't, we have already learned about it. I don't want to go. I don't want to go to the market. To the market. I, W-A-N-T, want to go to the market. I don't want to go to the market. Instead of market, you can use anything. I don't want to go to the school today. I don't want to go to the movies today. Spoken English হিসেবেও তোমরা এটাকে ব্যবহার করতে পারো. কেমন বলবে, আমি স্কুলে যেতে চাই না, আমি সিনেমায় যেতে চাই না, আমি মার্কেটে যেতে চাই না, আমি ডিনার খেতে যেতে চাই না, আমি কোনো ওকেশনে যেতে চাই না. I don't want to go to any occasion. Next, number 2, I am interested to learn. আমি পড়াশোনা করতে ইচ্ছুক. I am interested. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-E-D, interested. T-O-2-L-E-A-R-N, learn. I am not interested to learn. আমি ইন্টারেস্টেড নই, আমি একদম আমার ইচ্ছেই নেই পড়াশোনা করার, মানে পড়তে যাওয়ার. I'm not interested to learn. Two are there. Let me erase the board. Now children, let's move to the third one. I am able to drink cold drinks. আমি কোল্ড ড্রিঙ্কস খেতে পারবো. A-B-L-E, able. T-O-2, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Cold drinks. C-O-L-D, cold. It's opposite it, hot. H-O-T, hot. And drinks. D-R-I-N-K-S, drinks. So I am changing it to a negative sentence. These are also called transformation of sentence. Okay, now I am writing here, I am not able to drink cold drinks. Next, I have other plans to do. I am changing into a negative one. I have no other plans. আমার কাছে আর কোনো plans নেই, কোনো way নেই করার. I have no other plans to do. So 4 of it has already been done. You read it once, twice, thrice. The more you will hear where to write do or where to write not, where to write no, you will able to get it. Another one, the opposite of able is unable. Okay, you can use unable, disable. Every word has 2 or 3 meanings, synonyms. You can use both. Now let's rub the board. Now children, next number 5 is I am comfortable with my teacher. It's an positive one, that whatever teacher is teaching me, I can take it. But when I am changing into negative, what will I write? I am not comfortable with my teacher. In that case, during spoken English, you can use, if you don't like any person, you just say, I am not comfortable with him or her, with that person's name. You can give, and you can use as a spoken English. You dislike some person, his attitude, his behavior is not in a proper way, and at the same time you can't share it with your dear ones. You just use the term I am not comfortable with that person. I am not comfortable in that environment. পরিস্থিতিতে, ওই পরিস্থিতিকে আমি অ্যাডজাস্ট করতে পারছি না। This is a little bit of spoken English I am doing along with this class. You got the point? Comfortable এ অনেক রকম circumstance তৈরি হয়। Those who are working in the office, maybe it happens I am not comfortable with my boss, I am not comfortable with my co-teachers, I am not comfortable with my staff. So like that, what I am going to write, I am not comfortable, I am not comfortable with my teacher. The opposite of comfortable, you just add an uncomfortable. I am uncomfortable with my teacher. Instead of using not, you can also write I am uncomfortable with my teacher. Let's go through the spellings. I means I hear am, not, not, comfortable, com, a for, ble, comfortable, with with, with my, my, teacher, teacher, teacher. I am not comfortable with my teacher. আমি তো পড়িয়ে যাচ্ছি, তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো তো সবাই? If you quite response, give a comment in the comment box. I am able to know that you all are liking this chapter which I am going in the classes. Aparna's Pathshala. Okay, now let's move to the next one, number 6. I agree with my sister. What my sister? আমার বোন যা বলছে আমি agree করছি. It's a positive sentence. Now I am changing it to a negative one. I do not agree with my sister. I do not agree with my sister. 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 Now let's do the spellings. Do not, do, not, not. Do not. Agree, agree, agree. Double e কে ইও বলা যায়, এটা ডাব্লিউ বলা যায়। with, 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 my, my, sister, sister, sister. Opposite of sister is brother, brother, brother. So the opposite of agree is disagree, disagree, disagree. Another thing I have written here, I do not agree with my sister. Again, I can also write I disagree with my sister. This is another form of a sentence. You try to get the synonyms of it. You know the meaning itself. You find out the Bengali meaning of it, but learn the synonyms of that table. And the same thing with the Hindi medium. Those you want to learn the spoken English, if you learn the Hindi meaning of it, but simultaneously you move with the synonyms of that word. I hope that will give you a fruitful result for speaking English anywhere. This is only my little suggestion to you. Various way you experiment. The more you will experiment, the more you will learn. Now let's move to the 7th one. Next children, number 7. I want to go to the school. আমি স্কুলে যেতে চাই. It's a positive one. Now I am changing it to a negative sentence. What to write? I don't want to go to the school. I am using don't in before want, and the sentence, entire sentence is becoming negative. I don't want to go to the school. SCHOOL, school, WANT, want, and don't you know. But here one thing to notice, that for school I am writing to the school, because for if I write I want to go home, in that case it will be I want to go home. In the case of home, to the will not be pointing out. Okay, so keep that in mind. I want to go home. If you want to go home, this is another sort of spoken English. I want to go home. If you want to go to the market, you have to write to the market. But in the case of home, it will be I want to go home. Next, that is my cup of tea. Positive one, but I have to change into negative. So what I'm going to write? That is not my cup of tea. So simple. At first, when we don't poke our heads into the sentences, we think every sentence is compound, very hard, very tough. The more we practice, it becomes very easier. Now children, that's all for today. Learn it well. Hear it well from Aparna's Pathshala. Today already I have completed many chapters. Just go through it and revise. Little bit help you will. I hope you will get it. So stay happy at home. Stay tuned. Listen to your parents. Enjoy your day very nicely, because yesterday I hope you have all enjoyed the day because of the Vishwakarma Puja, and that's all for you.